You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this country in Asia, or is it Oceania? Let's learn how it's pronounced locally. In English, the pronunciation is as Indonesia. Some may say it as Indonesia, which is fine too. Locally though, in Indonesia, the Indonesian pronunciation is as Indonesia. Yes, it's Indonesia, not Zia, not Indonesia. Indonesia is how they pronounce it locally. So if you've been wondering, in English the pronunciation Indonesia, in Indonesian, Indonesia, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.